Dear children, today we are going to read the mapping your ways. In this part of the chapter, we will read about the India map and do some activities about the states of the India. Now come to the question. Look at the map of India below and find the state these children are talking about. Answer the following. You can see the map of our country in this. The upper part is north and obviously lower part will be the south, and in left hand part there is west, and in right hand there is east. Now come to the first question. The Karnataka team start from Bangalore and move in the north direction. Where is Bangalore? Karnataka is here. This is Karnataka and Bangalore is this part. Karnataka team starts from Bangalore and moves north direction. Which state does it cross to reach Delhi? Then Delhi is here. Delhi is here. Then Karnataka team will go Andhra Pradesh. Here Andhra Pradesh, MP, Maharashtra, MP मतलब मध्य प्रदेश, and Rajasthan, and they will reach Delhi. In second question, Jammu Kashmir is to the north of the Delhi. So the team from there travel towards south to reach Delhi. Which state does it cross? Then now Jammu Kashmir is here and the team of Jammu Kashmir also want to reach Delhi. Then the team will cross the Himachal Pradesh and Haryana to reach Delhi. It will be Himachal Pradesh, Haryana, and here what will be the answer of this question? This is Maharashtra, MP, then Rajasthan. So they will reach to Delhi. In third question, Nanu live in Gujarat. Nanu's friend Javed live in West Bengal. Nanu's want to visit his friend. In which direction will he travel? Then Gujarat is here. This is Gujarat and his friend live in West Bengal. West Bengal is here. Then Nanu will go in east direction to reach the West Bengal for his friend. Then towards the east is right answer. Now fourth question, is there any state which is to the north of Jammu and Kashmir? Jammu Kashmir is the last north part of the India. No any place, no any state is situated to the north of Jammu and Kashmir. Then answer of this question will be no. Now come to the fifth question. Is there any state which is to the west of Gujarat? This question, answer of this question will also be no, because here is the Gujarat, and in the west of Gujarat there is Arabian Sea, not any state. So answer of this question will also be no. Now come to the scale type question. If 1 centimeter on the map shows 200 kilometer on the ground, if 1 centimeter on map shows 200 kilometer on the ground, use this scale to find out about how far is Delhi from Jaipur. Jaipur is from Jaipur is situated in Rajasthan. Then it will be here. Here is Delhi and here is Jaipur, and 1 centimeter equals to 200 kilometer. Then how far is Delhi from Jaipur? It is near about 250 kilometer. Now come to question number B. Estimate how far is Jaipur from Bhopal on the map and on the ground. Bhopal is the capital of MP, and now Jaipur. Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan. Then it is the distance between Bhopal and Jaipur is near about 3 centimeter. Then it will be the 3 centimeter on map, and 200 into 3 equals to 600 kilometer on ground. Look at the map and tell which state is surrounded by 4 other states. Now look carefully on the map, which state is surrounded by the 4 states. You can write the answer. It will be the Haryana. Haryana is here and surrounded by Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh and Rajasthan. The answer of this question will be Haryana. Which state has the largest area? If its name is not in the map, find it from your teacher or parent. Which state has the largest area? The largest area of the state is now MP. I think MP. Explain how you got your answer. It will be explained in next video. Which state is about 8 times bigger in area than Sikkim? The option is Uttar Pradesh, Tripura, Maharashtra and Himachal Pradesh. Sikkim is here, and 8 times of Sikkim is the option is Uttar Pradesh, Tripura, Maharashtra and Himachal Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is very big, very larger than the Sikkim. So this will be the not answer, and Maharashtra is also very big than Sikkim. So Tripura and Himachal Pradesh, and we look here is here is Tripura. Tripura is very much short, so Himachal Pradesh will be the answer. It will be the answer. Himachal Pradesh is the right answer. And come to the D, about how many times of Punjab is the area of Rajasthan? Near about 5 times. Punjab and Rajasthan. It will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 times. Near about 5 times is the area of Rajasthan of the Punjab. It will be the 5 times. Now come to the sea. Bala is standing on the sea coast and looking at the vast sea. The sea looks endless. Have you seen the sea? Yes, I have seen. And in sea there is water all around the sea. In the picture, where is the sea? Sea is here. It is sea. And now look for the sea in the map of India. You can see the sea in the map of India. I am taking another color for showing the sea. This is the area of sea in the map of India. You can see the green part of I am painting in the sea. Now come, mark those states which have the sea on one side. Now mark those states which has sea about their one sided. This is Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Orissa, West Bengal, and here is Tripura and Mizoram. These states has their area in sea side from one side. And after that, come to the last question. Name one state which does not have the sea on any side. Then come to the map and see. There is number of state which has no sides, no any side along with the sea. The name of UP, Haryana, Punjab, Rajasthan, MP and Chhattisgarh. These are the answer of this question, and this is for today. And now we will read line between states and the distance between towns in next video. Thank you.